Is Instagram crashing every time you open it? Don't worry, I will show you quick and easy fixes on how to fix Instagram crashing. So let's get started. The number one step is to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Hold the power button just right here, and from here you can simply switch off your phone and restart it. Step 2 is to check for Instagram updates. For that, go to your app store and open the Instagram app, and simply, if there is the update version, update it. The step 3 is to clear cache and the data. Now for that, go to your settings, then go to your general just right here and tap on to iPhone storage. Then scroll down and find the Instagram app just right here. Now select it. Now to clear the cache, simply tap on to Offload app. And after offloading it, the cache and the data will be cleared off the Instagram. And after offloading app, simply reinstall it. And the final step is to reinstall the Instagram. If doing these steps does not solve your problem, then you need to reinstall the Instagram. For that, remove the Instagram, keep on tapping it, and remove the app. And after removing it, simply reinstall it. And that's it. Try these fixes and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.